Hi, it's Autumn with the Good Times with the Goodings. And do you want to know the coolest souvenir thing you can get at Walt Disney World? It's called, drumroll please, a disposable camera. And you know how your cell phones, like your parents' cell phones, they when you take a picture, it's on you already have the pictures, but not on a disposable camera. Look, you see, you don't find any parts that have it where you can see the pictures. So you have to take it to some kind of store to get the pictures out of this, because there's pictures inside of it. So we're gonna go to Walgreens and get the pictures. So come with us to get our pictures out. We are driving to Walgreens to get my camera developed.
Do you have your camera?
And I have it right here. Hi, I'm here, and I got my disposable camera, and we're gonna go see if they can get the pictures out of it.
Let's check that way. Last time, we get maybe 20 pictures already.
We're here at the photo section, and we're about to drop this off. I thought I was going to get the pictures today, but turns out I only got this paper, and it's going to take about 10 days. So it's been more than 10 days, and they still haven't called, but today my mom called, so now we can go and get it. Come on.
Have a great day.
Gooding.
This is your receipt is going to your email.
Okay.
This is for you.
Hey.
You're welcome. Y'all have a nice day.
You too. Oh my goodness, this is exciting.
All right, so here are my pictures. Okay, so there's only 17 in here. Well, it doesn't look like 17. There's some crazy pictures. Here's a very crazy one. So what did I learn? Well, I learned that you should really be focused what you're going to take a picture of. And also, I also learned that this is very fun. And if you're looking for something fun to do, get a disposable camera like me. Please like our videos and don't forget to subscribe.